Hi everybody, it's Justin Shives from Runaway Campers. Today I'm going to show you one of our options that we offer for any of our campers that we sell, not just the Venturous, and that's our RhinoRack SunSeeker Awning. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy. At this point, you have your awning out. You're gonna grab your bag with accessories and stuff inside of it. You have your guy ropes. You also have stakes inside. Guy ropes will attach to the top and go down to the ground. You also have stakes to hold the poles down. That's gonna keep it safe in the wind and everything, so it doesn't go blowing away, break anything. You just wanna keep your investment safe.